Hello guys, welcome. This is Eric and today I'll be showing you the hand grinding filing machine I've been selling. And for those of you who have gotten from me, thank you so much. I appreciate. Now, this machine is very handy for maybe you are into leather works, carpentry, or you just want a DIY machine that you can use by yourself. And this machine is for you. This machine can be used for different purposes, not just for shoemakers or carpentries alone. Can be used for sculpture. It can be used for those who are into glass works and so many. Now those are the parts I'm showing you there. These parts were fixable on the machines, and I'm going to be showing you how it is being fixed. Now this is the main machine I'm holding itself, and this part is where you press it down. Once press it down, you unscrew it. Once you press it down, can you see how I unscrew it? You have to hold that place down for that place to unscrew. If you don't press it down, it will not unscrew. So once you press it down, you unscrew it, and once you unscrew it, can you see how I'm unscrewing it there? Yeah, because those are the parts. So now we have different mouths there where you can change. Those are the places where you can change. So I took another part of that machine and I'm screwing it back there. So screwing it now. These ports are where you can put all your holders. Where you can put all your holders where you want that's the particular component you want to use. So this part come around. This is the filer that I want to fix. Now let me show you how I'm going to fix the filer. I unscrewed that place, and I hope you can see it clearly. I unscrew it there, and so once I screw it, take that particular the one you want to use, any of the components you want to use. See there? Can you see very well? Put it inside. Yes, for you to unscrew it. Once you unscrew it, take the locker spanner and you lock it very well. Once you're done with that, you're gonna just put just pick any of the sandpaper you want to use. Sandpapers there that you can see on the board. Those of you that bought the machine, I'm sure you see. Then you press the on button. There's an on button there where you can press and you can see that, and also where you can adjust the speed of the machine. You can adjust the speed of the machine. Once you're through with that, then you just put that. Let me just show you what the machine does. You can use this machine to file maybe the wood. That's the wood I'm holding. You can use it to file the angles, the places whereby those of you that are shoemaking, where your places cannot, the parts whereby your big filing machine cannot get to. Also, you can change the needle. You can change it in case you want to. You can change it. And talking about the filers, you can change them and use whatever one you want to use. So I've removed that one now, and the next thing I'm gonna do is to unscrew it, and now you can see press that particular dark place out. There's a black button there. You just press it down when you're scrolling, but you make use of your spanner to just unlock it a little bit so that you'll be able to unscrew it. So once you unscrew it, you can check it again and unscrew it. I can pick up another one from the other parts that are there where we use. You can lock it. Once you lock it, make sure you lock it first. I'm still holding the black button down. Once you lock it, then you can also use it. You can see here. I hope you can see it clearly. So you can just make use of this other parts. Once you get the machine is very, very good. I really love the machine because the machine does so many beautiful works for me. So I'll unscrew it now, and once I unscrew it, I can place another one there also. So there are different parts there that you can use up, because there are different parts that you can see them, and we're just putting up for you to see. So once you're done with that, we move forward, and let me show you another one. These are the drillers. Well, we can use it to drill. How to fix them, I'm still going to show you how to fix them. So just let me show you the other parts. Now I've taken the other part of the pin holders. Those are the pin holders. I saw that one is a bit tiny, cannot enter, so I have to change it. So once when you see that, it's just very easy for you to understand. So unscrew it. Use your spanner locker to lock it back, and you are good to go. So I can use this to drill. Let me just drill a little bit part of this board. Okay, can you see? Just like a drilling machine, this is a multi-purpose machine, I can tell you, and it's very, very good. This is the big one for those of you that are asking for prices, and this is the big one. And I'm telling you, this is very handy and very, very cool. These parts are the parts that you can just like I did earlier on, hold it down, and you are good to go with other parts. Unlock it first with your spanner, then you're going to screw them. So that's just it for this machine. I love this machine so much. I'm going to show you another part of this machine. This is the other cord that came with this machine, and this cord comes with a port where, now this is, for me, I call this more like an extension, where you will just there's a black screw part, that's a brass scroller there. You unscrew that black part. Now on this other part, just bring out the more like, it's more like a little wire inside. Just bring it out. Once you bring it out, unscrew the part of the machine that we unscrewed before gently. Just unscrew them gently, and you can place it inside. Now what I just did there is this: I realized that the pin holder that was there was small, so I had to change it. So you just have to check it. As I was checking it, to realize that the pin holder is there was small, I'm gonna fix that pin holder there first, back, and check it very well. Yes, can you see? It fits very well for me. Once it fits very well for me, I'm gonna first of all lock it before. Yes, can you see? I'm going to lock it. Once I lock it first, then I'm going to screw the other part. You're going to see this particular wire, or I call it cord, in the machine, and it's going to tie it. It's more like an extension where you can also use it once maybe you want to make use of something longer. Can you see? This is the more like an Allen key. You're going to use it to hold. There's a particular port there. You're going to hold it down like this to change all the other screws. You want to change them. You can see I just unscrewed it a little bit. When you loosen it up, it opens up, and you can unlock it back. Once you lock it, then you can just on your machine and you're good to go. You can use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. This machine is good for artisans, those who are into sculptures, shoemakers, craftsmen, furniture guys. I'm telling you, this machine is very, very good. I really love this machine so much, and I will encourage you, if you're into shoemaking, please get this machine. This machine is very, very cool. I sell pure original of this machine, and I'm still going to be showing you some other machines that I'm introducing to you. For those of you that are into shoemaking, and those of you that are into woodworks also, you would like something that will help you to do your work perfectly well. This machine is a go-to for me. I love the machine. There are other parts of this machine I cannot even mention. It's so much. I believe those who design this machine design it for a multi-purpose machine. So it's a DIY machine, and it's a beautiful machine for someone who loves. Even if you're not into shoemaking, you're not into furniture, maybe you just want this kind of machine whereby you're at home and you need to unscrew something, you need to screw something, you need to just drill a hole, you need to do other things. It's very, very handy. So guys, get this machine. It's for you. For those of you that don't know what this particular white roller is for, I'm going to show you what it's for. It's just for making, after you finish filing and you want to make it more shiny, you can use that roller, and it just uses just the edges. Most time this machine, I just love this machine. In fact, that it's very handy, and it has so many parts that you are able to use all by yourself. So what I just did was to pick one of the components. You see one of the components there that looks like a screw, and then you just roll it in. Once you roll it in, the way we tighten the other parts also, we're going to tighten this one also like that, and use your spanner key to lock it. When you use your spanner key, lock it, and you still press it. And I'm just going to use to find the edge of the board that I'm holding, and you can see. I'm not sure you're going to see it very clearly here, but to make your work smooth, look shiny, and this is a very good machine that anyone who is looking to have a DIY machine needs to use. And I tell you, I recommend this machine for everyone who loves a handy machine and wants a multi-purpose machine. This machine is particularly for you guys. So I have other part I'll be able to show you, but I believe you'll be able to learn something in this video. If you love this video and you are so cool with this video, just click on the like button, click on the share button, and also you can follow and subscribe me onto my channel. Thank you guys. I appreciate you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.